Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a company disrupting factory-built homes. There's been quite a few problems facing the entire housing industry this year, but probably the biggest was simply more people trying to buy than homes available. That includes existing homes and new construction. Typically, manufactured modular and prefab homes have been known as the faster new construction alternative to site-built homes, as they should be. Everything needed to build the home is right there when it's needed. However, right now, so many people are buying factory-built homes that production can't keep up, and wait times are getting to a point where all of a sudden, we aren't that fast anymore. For example, if I was to order a house right now, I would be lucky to see that home by the end of summer 2022, and there was a time not that long ago where I could get a home in 6 to 8 weeks. The good news for home buyers everywhere is that it has just been announced, hot off the press, that Plant Prefab will be breaking ground on a new facility that they anticipate will increase production velocity by 15 times that of their existing facilities. That's a big increase. The result, more homes faster, which, if all goes well, will slow down demand. What I'm going to do is tell you about the new facility, look at how they're going to 15x, and show you some unbelievable homes. So let's do it. According to the press release that landed in my inbox yesterday, they will be breaking ground on the new Plant Prefab facility in January 2022, 25 miles south of Bakersfield, California. And it's going to be a staggering 270,000 square feet and cost a whopping $30 million. For reference, the new boxable factory in Vegas is 170,000 square feet, and it's big. The facility will be purpose-built specifically for Plant Prefab to efficiently manufacture custom prefabricated, panelized, and modular building components. The reason that matters is because not every factory has been purpose-built. There are factories in North America that have been repurposed from another use to be able to manufacture homes. The benefit of being purpose-built is they will be able to set this factory up exactly how they want it. It's being built from scratch for them, which in theory should give them an efficiency advantage. On top of that, this will be Plant Prefab's first automated facility. They're utilizing sophisticated machinery driven by Plant Prefab digital modeling data to achieve even greater production velocity and a level of quality assurance, cost, time, and material efficiency unmatched by any other custom housing manufacturer. That right there is what you call a serious claim. Unmatched by any other custom housing manufacturer? Okay then. The release states that Plant Prefab's patented building system, which combines advanced engineering and specialized plant panels and plant modules, results in custom homes 20 to 50% faster than traditional home building methods, with up to 30% less waste and 10 to 25% cost savings in labor-constrained markets. The factory is projected to be finished by the end of 2022, and when complete will employ 440 people and will be capable of producing 900,000 square feet of living space per year, which works out to approximately 800 dwellings. 800 dwellings per year is a very big number, and the release states that the design and engineering team are now engaging projects to be built out of the new facility, expecting production to begin January 2023. So if you're on the West Coast and in the market for a new high quality prefab, you might want to drop them a line. In the meantime, I think it's only right we look at a few homes that they have available. For anyone who hasn't heard of Plant Prefab, they design and prefabricate custom, high-quality, sustainable single and multi-family homes. Plant Prefab was founded in 2016 with the opening of their first factory, a 62,000 square foot facility in Rio Alto, California, and now they build everything from accessory dwelling units to custom million-dollar homes. One of their most popular designs is the Living Home 10, a 496 square foot, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom accessory dwelling unit. I'm a fan of accessory dwelling units because I think they create an opportunity to share the cost of property ownership by having more than one home on any given piece of land. I recently had clients buy an 800 square foot home that they placed on a family member's property, which is one of the most common uses I see for ADUs, and it works well for multi-generational living on one property while maintaining a separate space. The Living Home 10 is described as a perfect addition to almost any property. A full-size kitchen and bathroom separate the private sleeping quarters from the living space, which extends outside onto an optional deck. A multi-slide glass entry and tall windows fill the home with natural daylight. Large enough to comfortably accommodate a queen-size bed, the bedroom also features an optional built-in closet. The base price for the 496 square foot one-bedroom accessory dwelling unit is $180,000. Certainly not the most affordable unit in the size range, possibly a bit of sunshine tax in the pricing, but what's nice is they provide a full cost estimate on their models that includes fabrication, transport, permits, and site work. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of the equation for people who are at the early stages of window shopping, not sure what kind of costs are involved in this type of building. Some companies are guarded with pricing information, but Plant Prefab isn't afraid to put it all out there, and I think it makes things a lot easier for potential buyers. When they say they prefabricate custom high-quality homes, they aren't messing around. Plant Prefab is capable of building homes that I haven't seen come out of many other factories, if any. One project they did that I think really proves that is a custom home they did in Hollywood, California that was a spin-off of one of their Living Home 5 designs. The home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and spans a total of 2,199 square feet. It's a total of 6 modules. That's crazy considering the most common home in the industry are 1 or 2. I've always been a fan of the Breeze House from Blue Homes, but I think this one might actually take the cake. The original model before customization is described as ideal for first-time home buyers, empty nesters, or anyone who appreciates well-designed spaces. The Living Home 5 offers compact comfort and ample indoor-outdoor living in your choice of 2 floor plans and roof variations. Bedrooms feature high windows ensuring maximum privacy, while large windows in the open living area allow natural daylight to stream through the home. Unfortunately, the cost of the custom home was not listed, but they have included pricing for the model it was designed from, so we can get a basic idea of what something like that might cost. The original model starts at $430,000 for fabrication, $290,000 for site work, $49,000 for transport and install, and $119,000 for design, engineering, and permitting. All told, that brings us to $888,000 for the standard Living Home 5, so I'm going to wager a guess that the custom was over $1 million. Unless, of course, that specific home is a few years old and was built before new construction prices went bananas, in which case, at that time, it could have been around the same price as the current Living Home 5. Either way, I know 2 things for sure. Number 1, I am a huge fan of this house. If I had to cook up a dream house in my mind, this is what it would look like. Number 2, I had better start saving because it's just a smidge outside of my budget. But never say never, you know what I mean? I'm changing my opening statement to welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a company disrupting new construction because I think Plant Prefab is a threat to companies building homes in factories and custom builders building homes on site. As you've seen, they offer a wide variety from 500 square foot accessory dwelling units to $1 million custom homes. They're not only pushing the limits of what they're building, but they're innovating how they build it with their new automated facility. I'll be on the lookout for more information on exactly how much of the build will be automated and what that all looks like, because right now we're witnessing the construction industry change right before our eyes, and I don't know about you, but I want to see more. As I find out more about Plant Prefab and their automated builds, I will post the information right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.